how did Trump buy me a Miata? Or like, what the heck is a Miata? I bought this with Trump's stimulus check. Cost me $12.50, so free Miata equals Miata. Technically, it's $50, but who cares? Full disclosure, I don't know a whole lot about cars. So this channel is me documenting the process of like getting to know how the car works, fixing it up, maintenance, all that jazz. So if you want to follow along and see like what I do to the car, hit that like button, subscribe, that notification bell, all that. I know you've heard that a bajillion times from like other YouTubers, but yeah, if you want to come along with me on this journey, go ahead and do that. So let's go for this car. So, she's got 200,000 miles. The body work seems to look fine. There's like a couple chips in the paint. And there's like a little bit of rust. Like there's rust here that in a future video I'll be showing you how I remove it to prep it to replace the windshield that is very badly cracked and held together with Gorilla Tape. Rust spot number 1, and there's also a rust spot on the other side as well. Car comes with soft top with glass window in the back. Previous owner had an accident. The trunk got messed up and bent. He got it repainted. This one he tried to salvage and repaint it white, but it did not match, so he just decided to do it black. Rust spot number 2. So after windshield, rust is going to be the next thing to fix. In terms of what I want to do with the car, I want to keep it mostly stock. I want to keep like the original integrity of the car because I like Miatas. So let's go turn it on. So the previous owner replaced this, got a new hose, and replaced the timing belt. There's some ticking noise, but I'm hoping by doing like an oil change that'll fix that problem and get rid of the sound. Now let's take a look at the inside. Aftermarket radio. I got the Miata mats. The steering wheel is a little missing some pieces, a little chipping off the whatever leathery bits. And as you can see, it just recently hit 200,000 miles. This little speakery guy is coming off, so that's got to be fixed too. It's got power steering, which is nice. Because the 94 that I had, no power steering, so it's like a lot of arm workouts every day. Plasti dip has got to go. I want the car to be all white, so I'll just like, you know, peel it off. Yeah, so this is the car. Next video, I hope to get rid of the rust on the windshield and get it prepped for putting, you know, the new windshield on. So if you guys have any suggestions about like what else I should do to the car, comment down below. Yeah, and then catch you next time.